This is Ivana Bias, Com 210, Section 1. The consonant sound I'm going to be working on is th, as in the, brother, and bathe. It was brought to my attention in our individual conferences that when I try and say these words with the TH sound, I do the D sound instead of the V sound. And I want to fix that because it makes it sound aggressive when I'm speaking, and I do not want to sound aggressive. So the drill words can be found on page 202, and the drill sentences can be found on page 203 of the Wells textbook. So here are the drill words: that, then, thence, there, these, they, this, though, thus, thy, although, another, brother, clothing, father, lather, mother, rather, together, weather, bathe, breath, cloth, or not cloth, clothe, lathe, loathe, scythe, soothe, teeve, tithe, writhe. The drill sentences are: although my brother is in another country, I phone him often. Together, we will weather this storm. I loathe that style of clothing. You should try to soothe a teething baby. I would rather lather up with liquid soap. Father and mother are together. That is one way to further the cause. Thy and thee are found in the Bible. They swathed themselves They swathed themselves in leather. Either do the job or don't bother. I loathe bathing in the other tub. The baby breathes easier when it is not teething. My brother is in the my brother is the father of those children. They rode their horses farther than we did. He would rather we were betrothed at this time. We took the used clothing to another leather store. The weather has been either rather warm or wet. The rhythm of the song soothed the writhing listeners. That's another feather in your cap. This is enough that we are together. I did not know that I actually did the D sound, and now that it has been brought to my attention, when I see a TH sound where it needs to be sounded as in V, I try and do that. I try to catch myself if I don't do it, so I repeat it if I pronounce it incorrectly, and I usually when I see it on a piece of paper and I have to say it out loud, I read that word in my mind first, so it's like I'm telling myself that I need to prepare myself to do the V sound. So that's how I remember how to do the V sound.